stay. Please give me. Another pillow. Another blanket. Another towel. Is there any mail for me? Has anybody asked for me? If anybody asks for me, tell him. That I will be back at o'clock. That I am out. Will you give me the key of my room? Departure. I will be leaving tomorrow morning. Please call me in the morning at 8. What time must I vacate the room? Please have my bill made out. How much is the bill? Please forward my mail to this address. Will you ring for a taxi, please? This is for you. Thank you and goodbye. Hotel. Boarding house. Garage. Reception. Drawing room.